New technology brings new opportunities to the industry along with drawbacks. Be aware about 5G technology. Study finds weak spot in 5G network structure. Hackers are becoming stronger day by day by crashing many sites like TikTok and others. New research into 5G network architecture has revealed some significant security vulnerabilities that could let attackers crash network, steal data such as users' location, and possibly even taken over vital network functions. The flaws are not in the 5G protocol itself, but in the way the 5G architecture distributes different functions to different network slices and how those slices interact with the old 4G networks. We outline it several ways within the slicing model, how information might potentially be exposed, how servers could be misused, and how denial of server attackers could be executed against network's element. A state of new report from Dublin-based Adaptive Mobile Security. The flaws leave 5G vulnerable to deny of several DOS attacks and data access misuse between the many network slices that run on any given 5G network, leaving customers sensitive information exposed by cybercrime. One slice for you, another slice for me. To maximize efficient use of speed, timeliness and bandwidth, 4 5G mobile networks can be divided into slices. Separate virtual network blocks with different characteristics. Mobile operators can then efficiently slice up their resources to provide separate piece of their core 5G offering to different verticals. For example, a slice devoted to video streaming could prioritize bandwidth over timeliness or speed. A slice devoted to automation function could prioritize timeliness over bandwidth or speed, and a slice devoted to game could prioritize all three. Yet while 5G slicing is safe in theory, all these different slices have got to talk to each other securely. This is complicated by the fact is that many of these slices will be using some 4G technologies during the transition period to 5G, which is expected to last several years. A large-scale threat. Adaptive Mobile Security strongly tested whether existing 5G standard security measures can stop an attack in its official white paper, uncovering 3 attacks vector based on the flaws. The answer is no, and the attacker's scenario identified can't be prevented with the current technology. The attacks covered exploit the edge network function connected to the mobile's operator infrastructure. An attacker can exploit the mapping weakness to give themselves access to the operator's core network, plus the network slice for the different enterprises. To put it slightly, it's wrongly far-reaching. It's a rather somber tone for such innovative 5G technology, but it is a stark reminder that new technology brings new opportunities to the industry and it within. New avenues for crook to price open your sensitive data and skim away the benefits of these innovative network features before they have changed truly bad in. Make sure like the video and subscribe my channel for latest information regarding technology.